Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Startup University. So far at Collision, it's been 2 incredible days of talks, demonstrations, debates, and insights. And now we've arrived at the final day. Other stages at Collision hone in on a single industry like enterprise software, design, or marketing. But this stage is different. It's one part inspiration, one part practical lessons for entrepreneurs, no matter their field. We've taken the top founders and investors from across the event and asked them to dispel their messages about critical topics like getting investors' attention, diversifying the tech sector, and taking risk successfully. You'll hear from leaders at Coastal Ventures, Intel Capital, OfferUp, Shazam, and many others. This stage is also our most interactive of the conference. Nearly every session is a conversation that we want you to be a part of. Moderators will drive the discussions on stage, but you'll be able to send in questions, vote on polls, and weigh in on pitches to be part of the action. With that spirit in mind, I want everyone to take out their phones, open up the Collision app. In the bottom right-hand corner, you can click on More, and then Slido. And once you're there, you can click on Startup University. This is where you'll be able to type in questions you have for our panelists on stage. Our journalist moderators will get to as many as they're able to, so keep the questions coming whenever they may occur to you, not just at the end of the session. So, without further ado, let's get on to our first talk of the day, one that pays particular homage to New Orleans as 2 of the panelists play for the city's beloved Saints. In this unique session, we'll look at consumer tech trends to watch. Our experts are 3 pro football stars who will give you their 2 cents about phenomena like AI and blockchain and will impact athletes and their fans. Please welcome, along with Discovery's Adam Zuckerman, moderating, Marcus Colston, Isaiah Kaczynski, and